Situation, whatever the situation is given in the question, AP involved or not, means whatever situation is given in that the AP is forming or not, that we have to find out. So for you know that if AP is there, therefore common difference has to be equal. That means when we form the AP any series, in that if common difference are equal, that means it is forming the AP. So see, the question is the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Means for the first kilometer, if 1 kilometer person is traveling, then it is taking 15 rupees, and suppose it is traveling the 2 kilometer, then 8 rupees more. So 15 8 23, and traveling 3 kilometer, then 8 rupees more. Means for each additional kilometer 8 rupees it is taking that fare. So for first kilometer you will see that will be rupees 15. For second kilometer, that will be rupees 15 plus 8, that will be rupees 23. And for third kilometer, rupees 23 plus 8, that will be rupees 31. In that way this is going on. Here you will see, if the series will be there like this, 15, 23, 31, like this way it will go. That means here you will see everywhere the difference, common difference is what? 8. Every time 8 is increasing with that. Since that here 8 is increased, 8 is increased. So since common difference is same, therefore this situation is of AP. Students, second part of the same question is that we have to form again in this situation AP is forming or not, that we have to find out. Question is the amount of air present in the cylinder. The amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Means when vacuum pump, with the vacuum pump, the air has taken out, then 1/4 part of the air is remain at a time. So first case, let air present in the cylinder be X units. So first time when the vacuum pump is involved, first time air remain in cylinder, what will be? X minus 1/4 of X, because the question is 1/4 of the air that is taken out in the cylinder. X minus X/4 will be what? 4 will be LCM, therefore it will be 4X minus X upon 4. So that will be 3X upon 4. So first time when the vacuum pump, with the vacuum pump, what is the air remain in cylinder? That is 3X/4 unit. Now second time air remain in cylinder, what is there? 3X/4 in the cylinder now. Now 3X/4 minus 1/4 into 3X upon 4. So what will be? 16 will be LCM. There will be 4 3s are 12X minus 3X that will be 9x upon 16 units. You'll see the series will be formed like this: x, then 3x upon 4, then 9x upon 16, and this way it will go on. This series will form by this example. Then you will see that the common difference, what is the common difference? d1 equal to 3x upon 4 minus x. So that is coming minus x by 4, because 3x minus 4x will be what? Minus x upon 4. And d2 will be 9x upon 16 minus 3x upon 4. So again the 16 will be LCM, and there will be 9x minus 12x. That will be minus 3x upon 16. So d1 is not equal to d2. Therefore this situation is not, this case is not of AP, because common difference are what? Not same. Common difference are different.